Hello everyone. In the last few videos, you've already seen me setting up my work planner, which is my Neora Accomplished Planner, and my personal planner, which is my Alicia Souza Planner. Now we are on to setting up the Tall Elephant Planner. This will be essentially my journal, my night journal specifically, where I will write in this particular journal every night. So let's start setting up. While being a night journal, this will also be my planner where I will keep all my goals. So this is very essential. Let's get started setting this up. This is where I will write my name and everything. This is an interesting spread. By now you already know that I have created lots of custom stickers specifically to these spreads. So to start with, this is a spread called I am, and I have created a few words to be put in here. So I'll be sticking all of these words here. My first word is powerful, then is radiant, then is beautiful, and the last word is brave. And of course, no spread is complete without a plant sticker. Let's go to the next spread. So here is what I love about me, and I've created a nice little artwork, but I think the sizing is a little bit off. It should be something on this lines. I can actually put this here. Yeah, I think I'm just going to put this here. So this is essentially what I love about myself, and I've just printed it out. I've created this on Canva, by the way, just in case you wanted to know. This is where I can have my affirmations. These are the few that I have. Perfect. So this will be my affirmations page. So my first affirmation is I am amazing and capable of far more than I realize. I think most of us struggle with self-worth, and this is something that is going to help me with that. Then you have I'm painting my life the way I want to live. Then I have I'm in charge of my life. Then I have I focus on what I can control and let go of what I can't. Very powerful. Then we have I'm balanced, powerful, and worthy. Then we have I appreciate what I have. Having gratitude in whatever little that you do is really important. So this is essentially what I love about me, and this is my affirmations page. But at this point I've just switched them because this printout that I took was slightly bigger for this page. I don't mind this looks pretty anyways. Then this is recap. Obviously I'm going to do this at my time. This is my period tracker. This is my vision board. You guys know the drill. I have multiple pictures printed out, and I'm going to figure out how to place them. So I think for self, I think one of the biggest things that helped me last year, and I want to continue it this year, is this particular quote: silence isn't empty, it is full of answers. I love this. And for self, I really want to make travel a priority, so this will also go here. For professional life, I have this boss lady controlling a meeting. I loved it, so this will come here. For personal life, I have an old couple dancing and possibly child. I'm also manifesting my child learn bicycle, so that is also going to be coming here. I will obviously put something on the lines of journaling, and for self, I think a lot of family time, and at the end some me time, because that is also something that will keep me sane. So this is it. I'll start sticking all of these. That's it. A very simple vision board. I absolutely love this. Not too many things, not too busy. Perfect. I think this will give you the right kind of balance to see every night before you go to sleep. So I love this. Goal setting, I will do a separate video on this. So this page, I'm going to use it for a very unique spread, is who am I? What roles do I play? So this essentially will have, so this is where I'm a workaholic. Here is where I'm creative. Here is where I'm family oriented. Here is where I'm a boss lady or I'm fashionable. Here is where I'm a mother. Here is where I'm a companion. So this is a very quick understanding of all the roles that I play, and I thought this would be a super interesting spread. And there are these contrast roles that I play, and I love each one of them equally. I've self-cut this, so as you can see there are these trays that come out. So next time that you get your own stickers printed, make sure that you get your stickers cut also from the same place. That is a mistake that I did. I thought it'll be easy, but trust me, it is not. Obviously, as the time goes by, I'm going to add a lot more words here, but at this point I really don't want to add more stickers because I want this spread to be as clean as possible. But I love how this spread is turned out. Now here, this is going to be my mom life spread, or my family life spread, whatever you want to call it. So this is what I really, this side would be the vision that I have for my child, and this side will be what I love to see again. This is companionship, the time that I'm silly with my child. Obviously, as you guys know already, that I'm attracting, that my son starts to learn to cycle. So perfect. This spread will be again a family spread. This is what I'm attracting to my child's life. A lot of playtime, a lot of time in the sand, learning to cycle, losing his teeth. This is what I expect for myself. So a lot of me time with my baby and my partner. That is how this spread is going. I think bucket list and traveler in me, and this I'm not going to set up at this point. This is it. I think this is all I'm going to set up for my tall elephant planner today. Just to give you a quick flip through, this is I am. This is my affirmations page, and this is what I love about me page. If you guys want to know or want this exact template, please ping me on Instagram and I'll share the exact Canva template with you. Then we have my vision board, where I'm attracting a lot of silent time. Essentially want to increase my meditation time. Obviously attracting travel, attracting a lot of time journaling, sitting and writing. I love actually making notes and writing, so that a lot of family time. Personal life, again, specifically time with my partner, seeing my child play, quality time with my child, and in professional life, just killing it. So that is something that I have. Then I have this me spread or I am spread, again very similar and inspired by this spread, but in more detail. So here I'm a professional, a workaholic, I'm creative, I'm an artist, I'm compassionate, I'm soft and caring, I'm a bahu, I'm a daughter, I'm a relative, I'm a boss woman, I'm fashionable, I'm street smart, I'm a mother, I'm a friend, I'm a nurturer, I'm a companion, friend and a partner, I'm a family person. So this I absolutely loved, and this is something that I'm attracting, or this is something that I really want my daily life to be, where my child is playing, I'm having fun with him, where I'm having fun with my partner. I see my child learning to bicycle, I see my child losing teeth, and I see my child playing in the sand a lot. Yeah, and that's it from me today. This is all I'm going to set up in my 2022 Tall Elephant Planner. Thank you for subscribing, and if you've come this far, I'm extremely grateful for you. Please do subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye now.